everyone, welcome to today's plan with me. I am filming for the week of November 1st through the 7th in my Aurastel A5 wide cloud, and I'm using the Grinch kit from my shop. It does feature exclusive art and it is gorgeous. I love Christmas kits like so much. I like Halloween. I feel like I've talked a lot of smack on Halloween this year. But I have done, I think, 2.5 Christmas spreads so far. This one and another one. They just make me so happy. Like when I look at them, I'm just like, bliss is there. I think everything's beautiful. I think foil in Christmas is just like, and everything about it just makes me just jolly, happy, like ready for the season. I mean, doing this voiceover, it's November 28th, so we're right in the middle. But it just makes me so happy. I did use silver foil with this. I had debated on using some red with it, but I changed my mind because that's just the way that I live my life apparently. But yeah, I think that it turned out beautiful. I think there's something so magical about Christmas. It's my favorite holiday. It's like Christmas and then the kids' birthdays and then like everything else. But I am just obsessed. I love the bottom washi with this. I love all of the foil I pulled in. I did use the silver snowflake bundle, which I believe we have overstock in shop. That was from the November, October, the snowy one. It's a mystery overstock. And then I did pull in some Sadie stickers foil as well. I think the string lights bottom washi overlay. I'm totally out of breath. I haven't done anything important, but I'm 37 weeks pregnant and I'm just losing my mind. So if I sound like I'm dying, that's what's happening. But I pulled in that, as well as the date numbers are from Sadie stickers. They are super cute. They're little Christmas bulbs. I guess that's what you'd call them. I don't know. And then I think even the sidebar headers, I pulled in Sadie stickers possibly for those as well. I think so. I think I pulled in the fa la la and the ho ho. Yes, I did. And I don't think those came out this year. I don't think they were available this year at all. I think that those were from last year possibly. I put in the sidebar that I was 34 weeks pregnant this week. And then I also put in that it was 9 or 8 weeks until Christmas, which for that I am just using a pregnancy countdown or count up, whatever you want to call it. And I've just been using a Christmas related sticker next to it, and you kind of just get the idea. Those are super universal for any type of countdown that's longer or something that you want to mark the weeks for in a larger way. You could also mark it kind of on a fancy label and not cut it if you wanted to as well. I did scatter the fancy headers throughout, one per day, and then I did use the regular header overlays for the rest. This is a great way to also stretch foil bundles, is to use the fancy headers along with the regular headers, and then you can kind of mix and match. And then next time, let's say I needed more snowflake headers, I could pull in confetti or, more fancy headers from another set. And I just think it turned out so cute. Look how good this looks with the silver with all those colors. I just love it so much. And I love this pattern, the candy cane stripe. I favorite throughout. I feel like every Christmas set, there's one paper that I really favor. I use Santa Claus next week, and there is, I don't remember which paper it is, but I was I need to use everything that is in this paper. It has to happen. And I also pulled in the extra color. There are, I think, 7 stickers on the extra color freebie, and I like to pull in at least, or I try to, if I remember, pull in 1 item per day to bring in that extra color. And this one was a hot pink, which I really loved. I debated heavily between the hot pink and the light pink when it came to the 4 colors of the kit, but light pink and then the hot pink was the freebie. So on Monday the 1st, I woke up really early and I felt sick, so I took a bath. I think around maybe this week or a couple weeks prior to this, I had just been feeling not great and very achy, and I have continued to feel achy and not well. Actually, last night, current time, I was super vomity and just all around not in any great spirits at all. It was probably the sickest that I've been, like, my whole pregnancy, actually. It was, like, a whole, like, night, day of just not feeling great, and I don't feel great today either. But, yeah, I don't know. I don't know if it's a pregnancy thing or if I have, like, a stomach bug or something, but hopefully it's almost over. And then afterwards, I put in that Theo didn't feel good as well. He had a slight fever this day, which was really random. I don't remember if he had, like, what the fever was about. I don't know, actually. But it was, like, a random, like, hour-ish. I mean, he was just acting weird, and then we checked his temperature, and he had, like, it was, like, 99.9, so we gave him some medicine, and then he was, like, fine. So we don't really know, like, what the deal was. And he didn't have any other symptoms. It was just, like, a random light fever, and he was just, like, not happy about it. Then we watched 90 Day the Other Way and Bears All this day on Tuesday. I had a date with Bennett where we went to Home Depot and Walmart. I think this is the day. Nope. I don't remember what we needed. I needed to pick up paint swatches for the baby's room. I decided on a, like, light pink. And I also needed to pick up some stuff that Nick's dad needed. He needed, like, wood glue and, like, Gorilla Glue. That's for wood. And then, like, some kind of, like, putty. It took me so long to find it, despite, like, Nick screenshotting me what aisle and, like, bucket thing it is in. It took me forever to find it. Bennett actually found it before I did, because I was like, I don't know where anything is. But Bennett, that was his first time at Home Depot, and he was in love with Home Depot. It's probably, like, his top favorite place ever. And then the painters came this day to paint. We painted the baby's, one of the walls pink, and then we did a couple of walls throughout the house in black, and then also a tray ceiling in the playroom in black. I just love black paint. I think it's so fun. I'm, like, talking way too slow, apparently. This day I also watched Pirates of the Caribbean, which I totally forgot how long that movie was, but I enjoyed it. I showered, and then I watched videos on my phone. On Wednesday, I was up super early and filmed, and then I rearranged Theo's room because we had his furniture delivered. Poor kid has had, like, a Target crib and, like, an IKEA 2x2 calyx. Like, that's been his room for basically, like, I don't know, 9 months. And before that, he didn't have a room. But we finally ordered his furniture, so he's set for basically, like, his entirety of living here. He'll be ready. Actually, I haven't ordered his bed yet because he's still in a crib, but we'll be ordering that next year. And then I just laid in bed because I was so tired. I had a bath. I had Zoe's for dinner, which I had my salad. And then I watched The Good Doctor. On Thursday, I had a doctor's appointment. And then I decided that this day I was going to trudge through, and I had ordered all of the hardware for all of our cabinets and drawers, and there was, like, 8 rooms worth of drawers that needed hardware, and it's been, like I said, like, 9 months with no hardware, and it all had come in, but I had to, like, go through and organize it. I ended up ordering almost everything on Amazon. And, I mean, it just looks like hardware to me. It was affordable, and I had to buy, like, 9 rooms worth of hardware. So definitely check out Amazon. I feel like they have some good selection, but I had to go through all the packages that had come and, you know, sort them and put them in the room so that whenever Nick's dad installed them all, that he, like, didn't have to figure it out himself because there was so much hardware. But yeah, it all looks really good. It's all done now. And then Bennett and I went back to Home Depot because I wanted to get 2, like, Christmas, like, teeny tiny Christmas trees for these pots that we have outside of our doors. And Bennett also picked out a small Christmas tree for my in-laws, and they have it on their porch, which is super cute. And then I think he also picked out a Grinch inflatable, which we also took to my in-laws to put on their porch. They are so festive this year. It's like they, like, outdid me for sure with their festiveness. And then for dinner, we had pot roast this night. My in-laws were over, and I wanted to make pot roast, and I found, like, another recipe to try. I didn't really like the recipe I tried last time, but this one seemed more promising. I feel like I always try and do, like, easy recipes. Like, I'm like, easy pot roast, and then I'm, like, never super satisfied with it. And then I just, like, look up, like, a YouTube video where I can watch the person make it, and I'm like, oh, that actually looks good. And there's probably, like, double to triple the steps, but then, like, it always ends up being better. I just got a phone call. I don't know if it, like, stopped recording or not. Hopefully it didn't. I keep getting a call from Crate and Barrel about a delivery, but it's like an automated message and it doesn't say like what it's for. And I don't think I've ordered anything from Crate and Barrel that like would need a delivery notice. I don't know. I should probably call them back. But anyways, and then I wrapped some presents this night, and then we watched the Welcome to Plathville season finale. On Friday, I had a really bad leg cramp. I had then like limped for like 3 weeks later, but basically I had a Charlie horse in the middle of the night that I always get Charlie horses like in my 3rd trimester of pregnancy with all of the kids, but they usually are just like painful, and then that day my leg is sore. This one, my leg, like the calf muscle cramped, like it's like condensed and like got huge, if that makes any sense. And I like limped and had like a leg pain for like a week to 3 weeks. It was like a week of pain and then 2 weeks of just kind of like uncomfortable. Like it just started getting better now, and now I'm like scared for it to happen again. I have gotten Charlie horses again since then, but not one that bad. But it was just like, it was horrible. I like teared up. I was like wincing, and like it was like 3 o'clock in the morning. But that happened. We set up our tree this day, and then I also booked our Christmas pictures this day, which was wild because I was waiting for like mini sessions, and whenever I looked, apparently the photographer that I use already put them up. So I messaged the photographer, and she said that she could do our pictures the next day, and I was like, I don't have outfits. So I had to run around and get outfits that day, and we got the pictures back, and they're beautiful. I really am happy with this photographer, so I was really happy that she was able to do them for us on such short notice. On Friday, I took a bath, cuddled in bed, went to bed early. On Saturday, we had Starbucks, and then I cut Nick's hair for the pictures. I had to get ready, and then we went and got pictures done. We went afterwards to the playground with the boys because there was one near where we took pictures and played there for a while. And then we ate dinner at Freddy's, which I'm not sure if I've ever had Freddy's. It's a chain, and it's like a fast food chain, but it took forever. But the people working there were so nice and like kind of fun, so it was like not bad. So we were just like in the drive-thru for probably like literally a half an hour. And then I watched The Circle. And then on Sunday for lunch, we had Sonic. And then I don't remember. I think we had dropped the boys off at the in-laws because we were going to go to work or something. I don't remember exactly what happened. But we went and stopped at the Krasinski's house because they were in Disney. And Brian ordered something for Nick because Brian like sees things like come out before Nick does. And like, I remember we were in the car and Brian's like called me, and I was like, oh no, what happened? And then Brian's like, oh, this thing went live, and Nick's like, order it, and then got it shipped to Brian's house, so Nick went to pick it up. I don't even know what it is, TBH. It's some kind of computer part. Apparently computer parts are like hard to get. I have no idea about anything. And then went home, and Theo ate so much food this day. It was like a notable situation. For dinner, we had Chewy's. My in-laws were over, and that's what my father-in-law wanted. I think this day he was still like installing hardware and stuff. And then I watched 90 Day the Other Way and went to bed. So that is everything for this week. I am out of breath. I am tired. I probably shouldn't have sped up that video that much. Like 13 minutes is definitely not enough time for me to talk about a week, but I hope you like this plan with me, and I will talk to y'all on my next one.